Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to National Schools Debating Championship of the year 2021 and I hope you all have a great day. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rifat Amanova from Senior High School Kuningan and I am here as the first opposition speaker. And my duty here is to refute the major arguments of the government case, announce the CAF division, and present my part of the case. Ladies and gentlemen, as the first opposition speaker, I am disagree with this motion, which is the host regrets mergers and acquisition within the tech industry. Why must be regret? Aren't there many benefits to doing mergers and acquisition? Some of benefits that might result from the merger and acquisition process according to David include 1. The benefits to doing mergers and acquisition is can increasing efficiency through synergies between the merged or acquired companies. And 2. Expanding the portfolio of service offered which will result in increased source of income for the company. And last, strengthening the company's competitive. You said that if the companies do mergers or acquisition can take away acquire company freedom, but I don't think so. Because by acquiring or merging a company, especially a large company against a company under it, it can help increase the profit of a small company, and it will not restrict the freedom of both parties because before they acquire they must have agreed something. And this will actually raise the public's view of the two companies have merged or acquired, because most of people will look at companies that are already big and well known. And I think if just the company do mergers or acquisition, that will not make workers' salaries decrease or worsen, just because the company that has acquired or merged makes the cheap or even free, because with low tax and also a lot of advertising about products that can profit income to companies that are definitely more profitable and can certainly give the workers additional salary. Ladies and gentlemen, any reason for company to merge or acquire is 1. Tax. Of course, paying tax is an obligation that must be done both for the communities and for business people. However, the obligation to pay tax for companies makes the operating companies have to pay a lot of money. If your company has tax loss, you can merge with another company which generated higher profits to cover your company tax loss. 2. Makes company grows fast. If you want your company to grow up quickly, you can apply the merger method. Plus, if the two companies have the same product and high commitment, however, if the company growth is fast, it will be able to have a good impact on the size of the company getting bigger, can increasing company's stock and various products. In addition, you will also avoid the risks of pursuing new products. Besides that, you can also advance together with competing companies while reducing competition in the field. And 3. Can increase synergy. Companies that merge between two or more companies will create synergies to generate greater profits. So you will get opportunities that can eliminate excessive product costs. Because a good synergy in a merger is when the value of the company is greater than before the merger. And 4. Can increase management and technology skills, as for some companies cannot properly because of the lack of efficiency in its management or lack of technology. However, if a company cannot streamline in the management and cannot pay to develop its technology, then the way to do it is to merge with a company that has expert management or technology. And last, can increase company funds. If a company wants to do internal expansion, it will definitely need funds. However, to meet these funds needs, it can be obtained by carrying out external expansion, namely merging with companies that have have liquidity. Because if you merge with a company that has high liquidity, the company will increasingly experience an increase in borrowing power and a decrease in company liabilities. Besides that, according to Mujarad, there are several reasons too why companies can and must be merged. 1. Economic of scale. By conducting mergers and acquisition, companies can achieve economies of scale of operation. What is meant by economies of scale is the scale of the operation with the lowest average cost. Economics of scale can be achieved by means of horizontal, vertical, and conglomerate. Second, can improve management. Some companies are managed in a less efficient manner, resulting in a low profitability, lack of motivation to achieve high profits, lack of courage to take risks often result in companies losing in aggressive fierce competition. By doing a merger, the company can retain its employees only at the level that is really needed. It is not uncommon for companies to obtain professional managers by means of mergers. 3. Tax saving. Like I said before, often the company has the potential to get tax saving, but because the company can never make a profit, it cannot take advantage of it. And last, can increase the corporate growth rate. Through mergers or acquisition, the company can increase its growth. This is possible because of the mastery of a wider marketing network, better and management, and higher efficiency. Ladies and gentlemen, I think it's wrong to think if the company do mergers and or acquisition, it's aimed to eliminate their of competition efficiently. I don't think that, because I think if the companies do a merger on our acquisition, that is aimed to create a new innovation that is very attractive to consumers, and that can also increase the competitive spirit of other companies. For example, we can see from the merger of Tokopedia and Gojek, and that's called Goto. This merger can attract the attention of the public because there are many interesting promos like free shipping promos or big discount and other like that. And of course, this is very beneficial for various parties such as consumer, Gojek companies, or Tokopedia companies and their employer. And I also feel various positive impacts from acquiring or joining companies or merging companies such as Instagram and Facebook, where when I forget my Instagram account or Facebook account, I can log in via Instagram or that Facebook too. And for that reason, I'm 100% totally disagree with the motion which this host regrets mergers and acquisition within the tech industry. That's all my reason. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.